Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this POCO. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Keyboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!